You want to own a rental property? My name is Garret Wong, owner of Upper Edge Property Management. Today I'm going to be discussing repairs that occur mid-tenancy. Continuing on in our topic of property inspections, yes, the main reason for inspecting your rental property is to ensure the tenant is behaving and respecting your building. But there will also be cases where you find something that needs to be repaired that isn't the tenant's fault. Perhaps a railing is loose, or a kitchen drawer front that has given you issues in the past has finally come off. There are really two categories of these types of repairs: urgent repairs and would-be nice repairs. Urgent repairs are fairly obvious. There's a safety component to them. And if you look a little closer to your building regulations, there also might be a code violation. An example, loose handrails going down to a basement would be a code violation in most regions. So it needs to be fixed right away to prevent somebody from getting hurt, and also, secondly, to prevent you from being sued. The other category, the would-be nice repairs, are things that are wearing out or in need of upgrading. This could be smaller things like a loose towel rack, or a door that sticks because the building is shifted, or a fridge whose compressor is really noisy, or replacing the kitchen cabinets. So how do you decide what to fix? I mean, these things cost money, right? Do you wait until the tenant moves out and then fix them? Or fix them right now? Well, let's think of things in the context of your tenant. Are they a good tenant? Do they pay their rent on time? How long have they lived there? Have they always had a good inspection record? And lastly, how annoying are these little repairs, and what is their frame of mind? I can only give you my opinion and perspective, but consider this. You can wait until they leave and then spend some money on fixing these things, or you can spend the money now, keep your tenant happy, and then maybe they renew their lease at the end of the period because they think you're an awesome landlord. What is the cost of a vacancy if they don't renew their lease? You know the list from previous videos. Advertising, leasing, answering phone calls, making appointments, driving out to the property to show it, screening, creating a lease, getting a damage deposit, moving them in, plus any vacancies and holding costs while you're repairing, showing, and waiting for them to move in. Sound like a good trade-off? Not to me. I'd make the repairs and use the goodwill you've created to hopefully get another year from your tenant. Thanks for watching.